Guys, today we are going to be doing a slime video. I'm sorry about my hands. They're just cool. But I already kind of made a slime because I can't messing up on my video. But I'm going to be showing you. So let's get started. Okay. Anyway, so what you're going to be needing is Elmer's glue. I'm using Elmer's school glue, some Tide, and a spoon. I'm not gonna do this, and a bowl, which you always do. So I've already put the Tide in the glue because I kept messing up and I didn't have any more glue bottles. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to, why did I say so? So we're going to be, so we're going to be stirring it up. Let me show you her. Oh, she left. Kinda, I don't. You know what? I might have to just cut that part off. But now I put a little bitty. I'm gonna squeeze you. I can squish my face. That was real. Anyway, I think we need a let me see how this sticks a lot. I guess we're not gonna get to I'm sorry about that noise, we're just talking. With my finger. I think it's too much. I'm going to be making another video today of naming my slimes. I already have 2, and this is actually turning out very well. But not exactly how I wanted it to. This thing happened to my other one, and I'm like, I should just give this to somebody because this was my last bottle of glue. Let's see if there's more. I don't want this to be such a long video because I really. So I am just going to be showing y'all how this turned out. Really bad. It's literally not even that stretchy. Like, look. That's disgusting. I'm gonna eat this if I was you. If you were a little kid and somebody gave you slime, like a baby, like 3 months, I don't know, but just. My new boy. Oh, he left too. Oh my gosh. What did I do? I'll fix that later. So I'm going to be mixing this up. You might want to see part 2 of this video, which is going to be naming my slimes. Actually, no part 2. The video is just up there. So, yeah. Make sure to subscribe and like. I thought this was epic, great disaster. But it was a great disaster. A great, get it? Epic, great disaster. Like, this is literally sticky. I'm going to throw this out today. It didn't work. I think I'm going to be having. Ooh, the spoon got stuck. Well, the spoon is part of the slime club. I don't want to do that. I can't do this again. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's actually not bad, but I mean, it is the baddest thing. I don't know how I'm going to post this video. Anyway, make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below if this was a fail or if it looks cool. Like, look at this. It actually looks pretty cool. Oh my gosh. Anyway, that was an epic failure. Do not know how to pause this video, so make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below if you think this was a fail. Because I'm going to put a comment down below, and I'm going to put a thumbs down with the emoji button things if I even can do that. I'm not sure. And I'm going to say this was an epic fail. Because it actually really is. Anyway, make sure to subscribe and like. And I might make another video, and I kept saying it. But anyway, bye-bye. I'm gonna make a video, but I kept saying it. Comment down below if you know what I'm going to be doing today. Another video today, and this is not gonna be in the video. Like I got this thing. This was gonna be a good thing, and but I was like, no, this. Anyway, I'm like, oh my gosh, shout. Okay. I'm gonna have to throw y'all down. So if this is super long when I throw y'all down, that means I couldn't pause it. Let me see. Let me see if I can do this. Comment down below if I can do this or not. Ah! Oh, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh, the beacon's not even that dirty. Look at that. I'm so sorry, guys, but look what I did. I can pause it with this It's not that bad, but I mean the rest is really bad. I got a little bit of slime off. And yeah, so make sure to subscribe and like. Bye.